Part of a new painted mural at Early Middle School will include a large letter E in the center to represent the name of the school. The letter with its measurements are shown below. What is the area in square inches of the large letter E for the mural? So basically we have a composite shape of this E. We can separate it into rectangles, solve for the area of each one, and then add them together. Remember, the area of a rectangle is just base times height, or length times width. Either one will get you the answer. And the best way to cut this up or divide it up is to put a line there, and a line there. And it gives you 4 rectangles. So we just need the measurements. And really the only one we really need to figure out that we're not given is this long kind of thin rectangle right here to figure out the area of this section. It has a length of 13, but the width is not 6.5. We actually are going to cut off. It's 6.5 all the way across, but we got to cut off this section right here, which is actually right across from there, which is 4. So we're basically taking 6.5 and we're going to take away 4, and that's going to get us 2.5. So that gives us the missing measurement we need, which is 2.5. So all we need to do now is just multiply 13 times 2.5, and the area of the long side, if you do it real quick, is 32.5 or 32.5. Now we just need to solve for the area of the other one. So we can do this one right here, which is going to be 4. We know that the length here is 4, and the width is 3.5. And when you do 4 times 3.5, you're going to get 14. And there's actually 2 of these that are the same size. That size is the same as this one, so we should have 14.0 2 times. And then lastly we have just this small one. It's actually a square. It's got a length of 2 and a width of 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. And then the last thing we need to do is add them up. If you add all these up, little space here, and you do it accurately, that is, sorry, you should get 64.5 or 64.5 inches squared as a final answer. So just making sure you have them divided up, and mainly finding this missing measurement is probably the trickiest part of solving this question.